At least 17 people have lost their lives in a massive fire that broke out in a building near Hyderabad's iconic Charminar this morning. While the cause of the fire is not confirmed yet, it is suspected that a short circuit may have led to this tragedy. A fire department official said they received a call around 6:30 a.m. and rushed to the spot. 11 fire engines fought the blaze and those injured were shifted to hospitals. Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has expressed shock over the incident, and the state government has now granted an ex gratia of 5 lakh rupees to the kin of the deceased.
Well, massive fire has claimed 17 lives, and in this tragic incident, it has reported here at the Charminar area. We are just meters away from the Charminar. So this is that building right now VJ is showing. And actually what happened is that around, as per the DG Fire Services, he has spoken to Times Now exclusively, and he has stated that, in this Krishna Pearls building, this is that shop. And inside the shop, the fire has broke out. And at around 6 o'clock in the morning, today morning, the fire broke out, and around 6:16 a.m. The fire services has received the call, and right now, our VJ is showing the shots here. So this is that building, and mainly because of narrow exit, entry and exit. This is the entry, and this is the exit. So basically, they got trapped inside and they couldn't come out. And one of the main reasons is also the narrow entry and exit is what even the DG of Fire Services has stated. And a detailed probe has been ordered by the Chief Minister. He himself has spoken to the officials here, and a IG level rank officer will be probing into this matter. And I said, 17 people, they got trapped. Actually 21 were there, and 4 could make it out, and the other 17 people who were staying inside, including children, including women and men, they were trapped inside and they couldn't come out.
Meanwhile, Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy rushed to the spot, and he also met with the affected family members. In fact, he said that he was told that firefighters did not have proper equipment to deal with the situation in the initial stages. Hyderabad MP Asaduddin Owaisi also visited the site earlier today. Here's what both of them had to say.
चारमीनार के पास जो गुलदरवाज है, गुलदरवाज में आप सब लोगों को मालूम है, इधर पियर्स का बिजनेस ज्यादा होता है। उसी बिजनेस में काम करने वाले एक परिवार जो शॉप भी है, उसके पीछे उनके ऊपर घर भी है, मगर शॉर्ट सर्किट के कारण जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है उसमें बहुत लोग इसमें देहांत हुआ और कुछ घायल भी है। अभी अलग अलग हॉस्पिटल्स में डेड बॉडीज है, और लगभग 6 बजे सुबह इंसिडेंट हुआ ऐसा अधिकारी बता रहे। उनका परिवार के लोग भी मैं मिला हूं। एक ही विषय है, ऐसे इंसिडेंट होना बहुत दुखी बात है।
Well, we are being joined by Mr. Asaduddin Owaisi here. So, sir, you have visited the spot. You spoke to the fire DG and disaster and response. So they are saying that at around 6 o'clock fire broke out, and very tragic incident, claiming 17 lives. What is your say? What do we have to say?
Well, it is very, very sad for a family to lose 17 immediate members of their family, their children, their sons, their daughter-in-laws. And this family has been living in this area for more than 125 years. So very, very sad incident, very tragic, very unfortunate. That's all I can say.
Sir, any measures have to be taken up, because it's very congested area. There are lots of challenges. I know, densely populated area, and this is your constituency and main heart of the city. What would you say, sir?
No, for the beautification of Charminar, the day-to-day traffic has been stopped. Then the pedestrianization project was taken. It is still going on, but as part of pedestrianization project, many electric wires around the Charminar and underground cable was laid. So we'll have to ensure that the standard operating procedures or do's and don'ts should be followed by each and everyone. You cannot